Welcome everyone. The seventh lesson of the book is if you make a mistake, admit it quickly and activate the magic of self-criticism. What is this magic? For example, what we usually do, that if we make a mistake, we try to defend it. We try to bring different reasons and arguments. And in return, the other people bring their arguments and the debate goes on. And after some time, it becomes a heated debate. People become hostile. They become aggressive to you. Now, self-criticism magic is when you accept it and when you self-criticize yourself that yes, I have done this mistake and the results are not very good. So what will happen? Immediately the things go down. And those people who are going to become hostile and aggressive towards you, they will immediately start sympathizing with you. But okay, no problem. If you have accepted it, it's fine. So this is called the magic of self-criticism. And the second thing is, based upon the level of your mistake, say all those difficult things to yourself which you think that the other people will say to you. Because when you will say those things to yourself, indirectly and surprisingly, you are blocking the other people to say those things to you. And Dale Carnegie says it is always easier to listen difficult things from your own mouth rather than listening the things from someone else's mouth. Because in this case and in this scenario, the choice of words is yours. But in the other scenario, the choice of words is with the other person. So, the lesson number 7 is, whenever you feel that you have made some mistake, accept it, self-criticize yourself, and try to use all those difficult words based upon the level of your mistake, which anybody else can think of saying to you. So in this way, you will block all those efforts. Thank you very much.